Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to add border to your photo using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open your Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on the bottom of your screen, you can see a little plus sign. Tap on it, select the photo you want to border on and tap in using a new design. Once you do that, it's going to take a few seconds, and now select the picture and crop it a little bit and tap on FX effect at the bottom of your screen. Now there are background remover, magic eraser, etc. Tap on effect. There you have to select shadows. Once you do that, you can tap on outline, curved, dropped, facelift, angle, anything. I'm gonna tap on outline, edit it a bit. You can increase the size of the border you want. Color, you can change the color. You can also increase or decrease the intensity as you like. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a border to the picture using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.